Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about systems of equations word problems.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. The senior classes at High School A and High School B planned separate trips to New York City. The senior class at High School A rented and filled 16 vans and 5 buses with 417 students. High School B rented and filled 10 vans and 8 buses with 480 students. Every van had the same number of students in it as did the buses. How many students can a van carry? How many students can a bus carry? So here, let's go set up some equations here. The first equation we have is for High School A. They said they filled up 16 vans and 5 buses. So V being the number of students in a van, B being the number of students in the bus, and that had a total of 417 students. High School B did 10 vans and 8 buses, and that had 480 students. So now we have two equations. We can solve this, right? Solve this system of equations to get our answer. So this one's actually, the way I'm going to go about this is a little different. I'm going to try to get in this second equation V by itself. So if I subtract an 8B to both sides, I'm left with a 10V equals 480 minus 8B. Divide both sides by 10, and V, the number of students in a van, is equal to, well, 480 divided by 10, which is 48, minus 8 divided by 10, which is 0.8b. Alright, so we have our variable v equals 48 minus 0.8b there. And now we're going to use that and substitute it for this v. Okay, so we have 16 here times 48 minus 0.8b plus 5b equals 417. Well, let's go distribute that over here. 16 times 48 is 768. Still in, we're good. Minus 16 times 0.8, which is a 12.8b, plus 5b equals 417. We now want to, well, again, keeps going, solve for b. I'm going to subtract a 768 to both sides here. And I'm left with, well, on the right-hand side, these cancel. 417 minus 768 is a negative 351. Negative 12.8b plus 5b is a negative 7.8b. Divide by negative 7.8, and don't be afraid of these decimals. It's the same process if they were just whole numbers or integers. And negative 7.8 cancels, so we have b equals negative 351 divided by negative 7.8, which comes out to be a 45. So that's the bus, right, has 45 students. So now we're going to take that information, plug it into this equation to solve for v. So v equals 48 minus 0.8 times 45. v equals 48 minus, well, 0.8 times 45 is a 36. And so v equals 48 minus 36, which is 12, and that's how much is in the van, how many students, right? So our final answer here is the bus has 45 students, I guess I should write students there, and the van has 12, each van has 12 students. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. MinuteMathTutor.com